Hello guys, welcome back. Are you familiar with stuff like I'm not good at this, मुझसे तो ये हो ही नहीं सकता, I am not that lucky, or I am fat? Have you ever heard stuff like that? Even if you haven't said it, it has been here. You do speak this to yourself. So this video is all about removing these negative self-talk and reprogramming your mind with good positive things to say to yourself. Studies have shown that हमारे brain में एक neuroplasticity का potential है, which means that if we want at any age we can change our brain. It's not constant. हम जो भी उसमें डालते हैं वो वैसे वैसे बनता रहता है. So just as we need fuel जो हम अपनी गाड़ी में डालते हैं गाड़ी चलाने के लिए, या फिर हम खाना खाते हैं अच्छा to make sure that our body is healthy, it's good. That's exactly how our brain works. If we put negative thoughts into it and negative self-talk, तो हमारा brain वैसे ही चलने लग जाता है. So make sure that you are putting all of those good, nice and loving thoughts to yourself so that your brain loves it, that your brain and mind, they work in synchronicity and you start loving yourself. So creating and rewiring all of those negative talks to positive talks will immensely increase all the goodness that you have in your life. So the thing is that why do you want to do it? क्यों करना है? Life चल तो रही है, सब सही चल रहा है, कोई दिक्कत तो हो नहीं रही है. But the thing is that a negative self-talk kills all your dreams, kills all the possibilities of all your dreams to come true, and about all the limitless potential of the world that you are well deserving of. Especially going through this pandemic, I carefully noticed कि मैं कौन सी चीज़ें बोलती हूँ अपने आप को. And honestly, I noticed that मैं भी अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा self reject कर देती हूँ. Before anyone else does it, मैं खुद ही कर देती हूँ. नहीं, मुझसे नहीं हो सकता है, कोई और तो क्या बोलेगा, खुद ही बोल देते हैं. So that's why you have to change your mind shift from your negative to a positive, because with that you get all the courage that you need to make everything possible, to make sure that all your dreams come true. So there are 3 things that you can do to change your mind shift from your negative to a positive. So the first thing is that acknowledge the negative self-talk. जब भी आपके दिमाग में कुछ आता है, ओह नहीं ये मुझसे नहीं हो सकता है, ओह नहीं मैं तो मोटी हूँ, अरे नहीं मैं तो आई एम नॉट मेंट टू डू दिस, आई एम नॉट केपेबल ऑफ डूइंग दैट. Just notice it and let it go. Just let it go. Honestly, take a very deep breath and let it go. And replace it with something else. Like just say something good about yourself. कुछ तो ढूंढ लेना बोलने के लिए. For example, if I have to do something and if I say, "Nahi Shreya, you can't do it," and then suddenly I'll be like, "No, you are healthy, you are good, you can do this, you are capable of doing this." Just say something good about yourself to get you back on track, to boost yourself. Because if you are not loving yourself, if you are not loving and appreciating yourself enough, कोई बाहर से नहीं करने वाला. Many a times we want attention from someone else. हमें होता है कि उन्होंने हमारे लिए ये नहीं किया, उन्होंने हमारे लिए ये नहीं किया. लेकिन you know what? I've clearly noticed sometimes I am the one who's not giving attention to myself, and then I want कि मुझे कोई और दे. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? If I need to love myself, if I need to be my own favorite, then why would I want someone else to do things for me? And then the second thing is that you can self-congratulate yourself. Just like anything, पूरे दिन में कोई एक चीज़ ढूंढ के just congratulate yourself. As simple as your skin is looking nice. So just say, "Oh, my skin looks really nice." And this is the appreciation that you want to do to yourself. अगर आज आपको कोई जॉब नहीं मिली तो पहले वाली जॉब के लिए अपने आप को कंग्रेचुलेट करो that you are still working, you are still making sure that there is food on your plate today. Definitely you will get there, but the most important thing is to love and appreciate what you have right now, because if you're not appreciating what you have right now, you can't get more than that. So that's why appreciate what you have and move towards what you want. And even if you don't get that, trust me, I am a living example of this. God always has something better in store for you. Talk to yourself like the way you talk to your loved ones, like the way you talk to your parents, the way you talk to your own kids. And the last one is that appreciate yourself every damn day. For this, I would highly recommend you to do the mirror work. शीशे के सामने जाकर you just have to go and say good things to yourself. Wake up with a smile every day. Just be thankful कि आज आप उठे हो, चाहे कुछ मर्जी सिचुएशन है, just be happy that you have got up today. Your eyes are open and you still have a roof over your head. Be appreciative of that. Say thank you. And whenever you say and whenever you look in the mirror, do this. It is so freaking powerful. Do this and say, I am beautiful, I am powerful, I am amazing, I love myself, I am capable of everything, I am so powerful. And keep saying this to yourself over and over again until they become your thought patterns, until you look at yourself as a powerful person. It is going to sound very funny, but once you keep doing it, you know, your eyes start beaming up with joy. They start beaming up with so much more confidence. And you just want to do this. You just want to make sure that you love yourself a lot more. You exude confidence and you love yourself a lot more. And if you have enough love, you are going to give more love. So that's a wrap from my side, and I hope that you guys found this video helpful. Stop that negative self-talk, just replace that with one positive thought, and your life will immensely change with the passage of time. Yes, to keep the good vibes flowing, write down in the comment section down below one thing that you are proud of. I am what? Just write that so that you tell this to yourself कि आप कितने ज़्यादा amazing हो. And I'll see you guys again in my